Okay, so recording was not there, so I just started the recording. For the thickness, I'll just give 1 and update the mesh. If it is fine, fine then. So you just refresh and update your model. Once the update is done, we'll close the mechanical and we'll open our ACP, ACP Pre. So once this is done, we are going to material fabric. Let's see the material, create a fabric. So here I'll consider only one material or one layer, that is a UD. Okay, so thickness I'll consider 1 mm itself. Apply. Okay, and then for that I'll create a stack up. So from the top down, I consider with 0, 45, 90, minus 45, 0. Okay, so there are totally 5 fabrics which are nothing but 5 mm thickness. Okay, oh no. Again, need to change your fabric. So then this will be updated as 5 mm. Okay. Then go to element set, update the elements. Geometry, if it is there, it is fine. Then no issue with that. So go for your orientations. Select the elements, select the coordinate system, and select the start point. But here you can consider as -1. So now apply for that. I'll give OK and generate it. You can see your growth. Then from there, create a modeling. Create a ply because for this we already have a stack up generated, so you need not to worry about the other things. Yes, from there go to solid modeling, select the elements, okay, and apply. Now you can see your model. Okay, so once this is done, just go back to Prepost, upgrade this, and then close it. Now you can close this. With this, now you can go with the static structure for the same. Okay, then open a mechanical editor again. Now you can see your layers as it is. Yes. Now for this, you just apply quick support, apply load or pressure. So consider as a cantilever beam, or else you can take as a fixed support and apply your force at the output point with the direction of Z. Either you consider positive or negative, that's fine. So I'll consider as negative on the surface and the point load. Here, composite failure. For that, I'll consider only one IO, and also I'll apply it with the one masses. And this is done. You can even give insert safety factors, or just with that you can insert the one stress or principal stress for the layer. Okay, then give a solve. So as this is a simple one, your solution will be very easy. Sorry?
So like when you do this equivalent stress and maximum principal stress for ply and layer, what's the difference?
Ply in the sense it's entire your stack of whatever your model or geometry is there. For that it will show, but for that you cannot generate equivalent stresses. You understanding? This for the layer in the sense each layer wise your stresses are generated here. You're seeing the differences. For this layer has a maximum stress, not the above and bottom. So that is what it shows, like layer wise what we call stresses are being generated for that particular thing. Okay, so that is what the difference between the ply and the layer. Yes, this is your doubt is clear.
Yes sir, yes sir, thank you sir.
Okay, so then moving further, I'll close this. Now I want to use my post. Now you can see your results are being updated here. All the other data are spent to your model other thing, and your results are updated to the ACP post. Once this is updated, just run your again ACP post. The same similar kind of window will be opened. Now here at the solution you need to update it. Now in this solution, you input a results, what you require. So in the sense, if any other, only the post-processing thing you want, you can take a other run file of RST. Okay. So for this, we don't require this. The solution property here. So what all you require? Stress strain for one step, it is there. You apply. Here's your solid modeling. Each play wise, the solution will be given here. Laminate wise solution will require. This is the first. Okay. For the time step 1, your results are 0 for displacement. Okay, for x, y, z, I will consider for the z direction. This is the last. And then create stresses. If the multiple time steps are there, you can look for that also. And then create failure, margin of safety or reversal factor. Failure criteria we have not taken there. The criteria we need to select there, that has not been generated here. Okay, so then we can get our failure criteria easily. Then temperature, strain, anything ply wise, each ply wise you can check with the particular things.
Here in the ACP pre-processor, sir.
Yeah.
In the setup thing, you selected those failure theories, no, sir. TSI failure theories and maximum stress failure theory.
That we have selected only one here in the solution, and that is in static structure.
Yes,
So
sir.
that is not.
No,
that
sir.
is
Yes,
not.
sir.
It is not. Sorry.
In the you selected those TSI failure theory, no, sir. Like, where did you see those results, sir, or how to read them, sir?
Here itself. That has not been updated here. I'll show that. See, in the failure itself, you go here. Okay, it will be given the list whatever you have selected for that particular failure criteria. Okay, so that has not been updated here. If that would have updated, we would have got directly. Let me check once with that. See, found failed, no criteria definition. Okay, so for that we need to close this. Once I'll update this. Okay, just refresh it, results update. Okay, now it is updated. We'll close this, go back to your model setup. Okay, now here this on the side here in Saho. If I on this, then solve the solution, evaluate the results. Now go back to your Prepost. Let me check this, guys. I'm not getting why this is not coming here. 1 second. Yes, stresses. Everything should be there and it should be updated here. Something is missing. The apply criteria definition should be there. Then only you'll get, according to that particular thing, your failure criteria will be generated. I'm not sure why this is not coming, but this has to. Even if I take it the mid criteria. Okay, let me check this later, because without that you cannot get entire thing. The same in the sense it will. It will be like the list should come here. Let me check with this guy because I'm not sure I'm not getting this because something has not been updated. Okay, fine. I'll check this and I'll update you guys regarding this again. Okay, let me check further. Okay. Now you can see this way. Your failure load of flight on the flywise or the solid. If I consider same similar width, entire thing, same result. in the solution and consider one more failure criteria with psi who and max stress. Here create failure as a factor. Plywise cannot see the figure with the plywise. If the same thing is given show on solid, date and same thing if I go for stresses. This is the stresses you can see on the structure, each laminar wise. Yeah. Any doubt here? And check with the angles also, particularly like 90, 70, 50, 30 for each. But